This is not the thread you're looking for. So I'm heading back to Disney World in a week, and I want to make a dress this time to go to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. When I was there last time, I was so envious of a girl that had this Star Wars dress on, and I actually asked her where she got it from, and she said that a girl in Montreal made it for her. And I'm from Canada, and I thought, of course, because we're so crafty. So I bought this fabric. I think it's from a Material Girl. I think it's adorable. It has all the good guys on it. So we've got C-3PO, R2-D2. I've already washed and dried it because it's made of cotton and I want to make sure it's not going to shrink after I make it. I've never made a full dress before. I made a pinafore this past summer, so I'm a little intimidated. I want it to be somewhat flattering, so I also got a zipper to go into it. I've never sewn a zipper into anything either, so a first for everything, but I want to go all out. So I'm also going to make some matching Mickey Mouse ears. So I just have an old headband that I'm going to use, and I'm going to use some scrap fabric to make the ears. And I thought instead of a bow, it'd be really cute to put this R2-D2. It's actually just a Christmas tree ornament that I found just before Christmas on clearance. And I think he's the perfect size. And then just to be a little extra, I'm making a backpack. So I'm going to add some back straps to him. I'm going to cut him open and add a pocket. And I've never done any of this before, so may the Force be with me.
That's not how the Force works.
I believe I ordered 2 meters of fabric, which I'm hoping is going to be enough. The first thing I want to do is make a circle skirt, a half circle skirt. So what I need to do is measure where I want the skirt to start. Fabric is already folded over. This is your open side. This is the closed side. So to get the waist circumference, you're just going to measure your waist and then times that by pi, which is 3.14. I think mine was 10.82, and then I'm just going to round up to 11.
Anything else?
So I want to start my cut 11 inches down. And then I am moving the measuring tape. I've already marked it, so basically you just mark this way, all the way to the other side, and that's going to be your first cut. I've already messed up. So I wasn't supposed to cut that top piece of fabric yet. I was supposed to measure the bottom part of the skirt and then cut the bottom and then the top. So we're just gonna play around. I'm just gonna pretend that I didn't cut this piece, and we're just gonna put it just like this. There we go. And what I was supposed to do is measure how long I want my skirt, which is about 22 inches, add the 11 inches, so that's 33. And again, I'm just supposed to draw a line from the top along the bottom and then cut. Okay, so I have a skirt and I don't know. I was worrying about this because I don't know now if I have enough fabric to make a top. If not, it will be a pinafore. And I will pretend that it was always supposed to be a pinafore. So this is what I consider my Minnie Mouse dress, although I have not worn it yet to Disney World. That is the plan. This is basically what I'm trying to recreate. So for the top, I'm going to use this as my template. And from what I can tell, I have just enough fabric to do the front and back. Okay, so there are so many things going wrong with this. It does not close in the back. I do not have enough material. But it's cute though, and I could just do a skirt, but I don't want to do just a skirt. So I think I've come up with a solution, and it's gonna be weird. So I can either just do this cape style and just kind of leave it open in the front and wear like a black top underneath. Or what I think I'm gonna try doing is cutting basically a triangle worth of material out to fill in this area. If I had a dress pattern, this would go very smoothly, but I don't. So now I'm just attaching the middle of the skirt to the middle of the top, and we're gonna sew this all together. I'm ready to put the zipper in. I sewed the skirt on and I sewed up the back of it, just leaving a little bit here for the zipper, but it's getting dark and I'm getting tired, so this might be a tomorrow thing. Okay, so I spent an hour this morning hand sewing the zipper into the dress because I don't have a zipper foot and it just wasn't working without one. Is the dress perfect? No. Is it freaking awesome? Yes. This is how it turned out. I still have to hem the bottom of the dress, but it fits so nice. It's very vintagey, cute flair to it. I actually really love the detail in the front. There's a few things that I kind of messed up on, like underneath the armpit, it got bunched, but I just won't ever raise my arms, ever. Time for surgery.
Wasn't he a war hero?
Thank you for your sacrifice. Oh dear. No, please don't take it. I finished my ears and my backpack, and I've already done a few shakes with it to make sure it's gonna survive the rides. So I just added some old straps from another backpack, and then I made a little pouch, then attached the zipper and the pouch to the opening. So I think it's the perfect size. I can put my wallet and my phone in it, a map to Luke Skywalker that I have to protect from the First Order.
What did you say?
The regular stuff. Hope you guys like it. I am off to join the resistance.